Yeah. We're here just soaping the car, soaping the AMG. You know, we're just keeping it fresh and nice and clean, just soaping, lathering the whole thing. We're rinsing down the whole AMG. We're just vacuuming down both sides. You see, we're getting all the dirt, all the creases from the crevices out. We're just taking out all the dirt. We're taking our brush, just brushing up the whole steering wheel. We're getting everything that you see here done. We're just drill brushing the carpet, getting the carpet cleaned up and nice. As the clip switches, you will see now the car is nice and clean. We got everything cleaned up from the front seat, from the back seat, from the whole front area. The AMG logo looking nice and blinging. The logos on the side of the car looking blinging. You see the logo on the front, the whole side, the whole back, everything is shiny. As you can see, the wheels, the lights, everything is done. That's how we do that, Spreckless Pro.